If you're watching this, you're probably a client of Decentralized Masters or thinking about joining our community. Either way, you're in the right place. I'm the DeFi Doctor, and welcome back to another Decentralized Masters crypto class. Today, we are covering something of utmost importance for your success in DeFi, and that's how you should conduct business and communication in the crypto economy. This ranges from broadly communicating through your social media sites with friends or acquaintances to right here with our brilliant analysts at Decentralized Masters. It is a Decentralized Masters duty to best prepare you and give you the knowledge required to protect yourself so you can conduct safe, transparent, and fraud-free interactions. One of the most common scams out there is the impersonation scam. This is where someone will usually call your phone or send you an email and claim to be someone they are not, and working for a company they aren't actually employed at. This can range from someone saying they are from your bank, the IRS, or what's common in crypto is that they'll say they work for Coinbase or Ledger. There have even been attempts of people trying to say that they work for us, Decentralized Masters. However, due to our rigorous security practices, they have not been successful in their attempts. So trust is the most important thing when it comes to dealing with anything or anyone in crypto. And to be on the safe side, we teach Decentralized Masters to always assume if anyone is reaching out to you, that it's most likely a scam. Always approach emails, text messages, or strange phone calls from unknown numbers and unknown people as scams, trying to take your hard-earned tokens. This is why at Decentralized Masters, we've built our client communication process to be crystal clear and secure. Our analysts are here to guide you through decentralized finance with confidence, but we also want you to know exactly what to expect from us and what to watch out for. By the end of this video, you'll know how we operate, how to verify you're talking to the real deal, and how to stay one step ahead of fraudsters. So how do our analysts reach out? Let's start with our number one golden rule of Decentralized Masters. Our video will always be on. When you jump on a Zoom call with one of our analysts or mentors, you'll see their face, clear as day. And of course, it's nice to see faces. It makes things more personable, and it's easier to show that we are human. But it's also a security feature. Our analysts are all listed on the Decentralized Masters website, and you can go and confirm, if in doubt, that this is indeed one of our analysts. Whether it's an online office hour, coaching session, portfolio review, or a DeFi project presentation, our cameras will stay on. If you're ever on a call with one of our team members and they don't have their camera on, pause and end the call and verify with a Decentralized Master team member that this person is genuine. This is a good rule of thumb to follow anywhere on the internet. And if they don't have their camera on, it should be taken as a red flag. The next security feature we take at Decentralized Masters is keeping technical talk over Zoom calls rather than any phone call. DeFi can get complex. Setting up wallets, navigating protocols, you name it. Our analysts will never discuss technical steps over a phone call. Why? Phone calls are too easy for scammers to fake. Similar to our camera rule, if you can't verify with your eyes that this person is actually who they are claiming to be, it could be potentially a fraudster. If someone calls claiming to be from Decentralized Masters and starts talking about wallet setups or transactions, hang up. Then reach out to your assigned analyst through the number you've saved. This brings us to another key tip. Save your analyst phone number. When we assign you an analyst, you'll get their official contact details. Store that number in your phone because we'll never text or call you from a different one. If you get a message from an unfamiliar number claiming to be us, don't respond. Verify it through our official channels to confirm it is us before responding. Although they love DeFi, sometimes our analysts do take vacation time. Sometimes they would like to spend some time with their families or leave the office to spend some time in the sun. When this happens, your assigned analyst will let you know they are going on vacation and they will be unavailable for a specific amount of days. They will also inform you which analyst will be filling in for them when they are away. Another great practice you can do to ensure you're talking to a real analyst or mentor at Decentralized Masters is attending the live office hour sessions. These sessions are your chance to ask questions, get real-time advice, and interact with our team and the rest of the community in a secure, open setting. At Decentralized Masters, we're all about empowering you with knowledge, trust, and security. Our analysts connect with you face-to-face on Zoom, avoid technical talk over the phone, and teach you to stay skeptical. There's a reason fraud attempts have been unsuccessful at getting Decentralized Masters. And that's because not only do we have great security measures, but we teach you to be the ultimate detective of detecting fraudsters. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto classes, and drop a comment. how do you stay safe in DeFi? Thanks for tuning in, my friends. This is the DeFi Doctor signing off. Until I catch you next time, stay safe, stay decentralized.